JSS College of Pharmacy was and Naturopathy. They all were updated to Dr. MGR Medical University in Chennai. When we became deemed university, the JSS College of Pharmacy came away and it is now part of the JSS University. That's why I shifted. But the JSS Institute of Naturopathy is with Dr. MGR Medical University. I want to clarify that Vice Chancellor should not get confused whether JSS University of part actually. This JSS Institute of Naturopathy and Yoga established way back in 97 at Ooty. At that time in MGR Medical University, they were discussing for the first time to introduce this type of program in Tamil Nadu, Naturopathy course and Yoga course in 97. And immediately we took the initiative from JSS Vidyapita, the organization or the trust, and we were the first college in Tamil Nadu to start JSS Institute of Naturopathy and Yoga, and it is continuing at Ooty for all these years to extend that naturopathy services, because Ooty is strategically located in a hill station only, so only limited access was available, and further growth opportunities are straightforward because of the building rules and restrictions. We cannot expand the facilities of naturopathy and yoga so that it is available, more accessible to everyone. And number two, we can increase the facilities based on the needs, go on increasing continuously. Our institute should grow into a well-grown field. It is totally a drugless therapy. The whole basis is that with the good nutritional background, with yoga and certain natural treatments, one can be healthy and also prevent and cure several diseases. So with this background and these principles, this institute functions and provides the services. So far about nearly 7 batches have passed out of this naturopathy and yoga. They get a 5.5 years degree known as BNYS. That's a 5.5 years degree, and it spreads over 4.5 years for academic training and 1 year by internship. So we take our intake approved by MGR Medical University is 60 students, and these students who have come out of this college so far, they have found various positions in hospitals, nature cure hospitals. Some of them also have gone into those wellness institutes managed by resort groups and the star hotels. They are now, everybody is going to the wellness concept, so they joined those wellness institutes. Some have gone abroad also and practicing nature cure and yoga in other countries, trying to promote this concept. This is happening pretty. So both the benefits can go to the public in this region. So this particularly the first phase was the starting of this naturopathy and yoga center and college facilities and hospital facilities there. Now that constructions have been completed, the civil work alone was around 6 crores and another 6 crores has gone in putting the infrastructure. So totally the value of that whole complex is about 12 crores, and there will be different types of treatments that will be extended that Dr. Verma, the principal of the college from Ooty to Coimbatore, that is in the process. That is, it will take place maybe in another 1 or 2 months it should come, and next academic year the students would be enrolled in the Coimbatore campus itself straight away. We have opened one public school in Dubai, so like that we have got a chain of public schools in this state, and they are all doing very well with good reputation, and this is to be a thing. And in Tamil Nadu, our public school at Ooty is well known, and it's a residential public school. That one caters to the needs of the residential facilities. So we are looking at in this campus we can have another public school in Coimbatore, which can take care of the school needs of the education. So the plans and other proposals are in the pipeline for that. So as soon as this goes off, next our project would be in that campus would be to put the public school.
Plus Gateway 2010, an inter-school national level literary and cultural meet in which students from LKG to +2 from 16 states all over India are going to take part. We expect a minimum of 70,000 children to take part from all over India in different types of competitions like drawing, English essay writing, Tamil essay writing, Hindi essay writing, caption writing, story writing, talent hunt, slogan writing, group dance and facial painting. We are going to have 7,500 prizes to the children. We expect minimum of 4,000 schools to take part from all over India in this event. We have made all the arrangements like police protection, fire protection, ambulance, first aid team, mineral water bottles and all the other stuff for the children. This event is conducted by a charitable organization. We don't collect even 1 rupee as an entrance fee from anybody. All the materials to take part in this event are given to the students at free of cost. We kindly request all the press people to give us 100% support for the success of this event. We hope for your blessings and support as the days to come. This event is going to create 5 Guinness World Records and 6 Limca World Records, and we have representatives from Limca Book of Records and Guinness Book of Records tomorrow for this event. Thank you.